हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम हमारी आज के सेशन में देखने वाले इंट्रोडक्शन टू द वर्ड क्लाउड. I have always been in love with the data visualization. Since the day I have started on working it, I always enjoyed deriving useful insight from the data. यानी हमें डेटा को विजुअलाइज करना करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो इसीलिए ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है यहाँ पे हम क्या करने वाले टेक्स्ट डेटा को विजुअलाइज करने वाले. बिफोर दिस आई ओनली न्यू अबाउट द चार्ट्स लाइक बार, ग्राफ, स्कैटर, plot, histogram, etc. Those are inbuilt in tabular और पावर बाई डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन. अब ये सारी चीजें हैं, बार चार्ट, कैटेग्राफी, हिस्टोग्राम, ये सारी चीजें क्या थी मैं हम आपके पावर बाई और टेबलर सॉफ्टवेयर में इनबिल्ट थी. By working on every day on the task, I came across many new charts like radical gag chart, Wolfe chart, and so on many charts ऐसे देखे. So out of my curiosity, recently I was searching for the all type of charts that use in data visualization, where this word cloud caught on my eye and found that it was a very interesting. Why it's very interesting? Where we can using Power BI, using Tabula, you can analyze the data, which is in the form, which is in the format of like numerical data, decimal data. But when I am so curious about how to visualize our text data. So when I'm curious about that, that's why I'm searching on the way how to analyze the text data. Then I found the concept like word cloud. Using word cloud, we can analyze our text data. It is very interesting. Till now, seeing those word cloud images forced me to think that that was just a random image where those words are randomly arranged. When I'm seeing the graph, I think that the images are random words that are just put there. But I'm wrong. And where all started, and that's why I was thinking about what is world cloud. I'm curious about what is world cloud, where it is used, how to use, and much more. After this, I tried to make word cloud from just small data. When I try to making how to do that, I'm starting using text. Like one, I'm use just one sentence to analyze the data. data in data in using Tableau and Power BI. After that I successfully attempt, I want to try by code. Like after using Power BI or using like a software any other, I'm curious about how to do through the programming. Program like a code like making bar chart, pie chart, and other chart, and so on, so on. It's like it was a very, I'm very curious to analyze those. How to do that and do that and how they work. Introduction. I have been seen those concepts with word cloud. Word cloud. What basically a word cloud is? Word cloud is means what is the definition? How to define word cloud? What is it? Where it can use? A word cloud is a simple yet powerful visualization, visual representation object for text processing. Word cloud is basically used for the process of our text data. We shows us the most frequent word in the bigger and bolder letters and with the different colors. When I'm trying to understand how they visualize, uh, then I'm find out and most appear words in our text that are bigger in size and bold letters with the different view of colors. The smaller size of word and less is important. When I saw the word is smaller in size, and when I think when I'm curious why this is small in size, and then see the and then I go through the data. I see the data when the word is not important, as like this is an apparent data in one time. That's why the word is small in size, and then it is not bold. So that is how it that also about the word cloud. Word cloud means it is a graphical representation of text data. When we go through the numerical data, it's very easy to analyze it and also visualize using various type of graphs. While we go to the what is when we go to the text data, how to process the data, because before we studied about NLP. NLP is natural language processing. It is a very difficult to understand the text data, and it is more difficult to analyze the our text data. It is a best way to use a word cloud to analyze your text data, and it is very interesting.